I would like to take you through how to create a quote ready for it to be sent. You can also do this using your mobile iOS and Android app. In the main menu, click on Sales and press the plus button next to Quotes. Click here to add or select your client. If you'd like to change the language for this particular quote, click on the language and choose from 60 languages. You can customize your language or set default languages in Invoice Quote Settings from the main Settings menu. Your quote will automatically be given a name and a number. You can easily change this by editing the number and name fields or saving a default name in templates and brands from the main Settings menu. Your quote number will go up sequentially for each new quote. To change the brand for this quote, click on the Edit button and switch brands. You can edit or create a new brand by going to the Templates and Brands menu. You can create an overview. As with the rest of the fields in the quote form, you can use HTML to add links, format the text, add paragraphs and breaks. Here's the list of HTML codes that can be used in the text fields. You can either add new items or attach an existing product or service. To add a new item, click here. For new expense, click on Expense, add a new or select a vendor, enter the price, and if you have a default sales tax already saved in Manage Taxes from the main Settings menu, this will automatically be displayed. Click on it if you would like to add a new tax or change it. To change your currency, add included taxes or add an attachment, click on the three dots and click on Edit. To add tax which is already included in the expense amount, tap on Add Included Taxes. To add automated taxes, click on Automated, and for your very first expense in Fiskl, select a tax or tax group from the drop-down list. The numbers will be displayed next to the taxes, and Fiskl will then automatically calculate the subtotal. The taxes you selected will be used for all expenses going forwards, but this can be easily changed if needed. If taxes are applied only to certain items, or the expense has multiple tax types, you can apply these manually by clicking on Manual and select your tax and enter the amounts in manually. Click Apply, make any changes and click Save. To add a new product, select Product, add a product name. The units can be something like a box or a carton. Enter the quantity, price. If you need to have the sales tax included or excluded in the price, then simply toggle between the tax minus and plus button. This works on items in the quote, including multiple currency quotes and quotes with multiple and compound tax items. If you would like to change your currency or add attachments, click on the three dots and click on Edit. Let's change the currency. And click Save. To add a new service, click on New and select Service and follow the same procedure as you did for Product. To add a new time to your quote, select Time, and if you have saved a default time name template in Company Settings from within the main Settings menu, this will automatically be used but can be changed if needed. Your default rate is automatically saved in the User Preferences in the User menu. Enter the amount of time. If you'd like to add a start and end time, change your currency or add attachment, click Edit, switch the toggle here and enter your start and end times, and click Save. To add mileage, select mileage, add a name for your mileage. Your rate and mileage will be automatically saved in User Preferences. This can be easily changed if needed. Enter the number of miles. If you would like to add your mileage using Google Maps or your odometer readings, click on the three dots and click on Edit. Switch the toggle on to use more Google Maps, enter a start address and an end address, and Fiskl will automatically calculate the mileage. If you'd like to use your odometer readings, click the toggle off and enter your readings. If you'd like to make your journey a return journey, simply click here and press Save. You can also add existing products and services by clicking Add Existing and select Services and attach. Any items which use a different currency to that of the quote, you can automatically see the exchange rate that has been used. If you have an exchange rate you prefer to apply, then click on the rate and enter your own. To duplicate any items, click on the three dots and click on Duplicate. To add a discount, click here and enter the amount. If it's a percentage, simply add a percentage mark. You can also change the quote currency by clicking on the currency next to the total. You can save default quote notes and terms and conditions in invoice and quote settings from the main settings menu. Otherwise, you can add new ones here. Again, you can use HTML to format or add links. If you would like to duplicate the quote or convert it directly to an invoice, click on Actions. Press Save and Review, and your quote is ready to be sent. You can send your quote by email or your preferred messaging service. Check out the video in How to Send Your Quote section within this guide to find out more.